bangle there, Joan. Wave to your people then, wave to your people then. That's on fake. Hey, what's up guys? Hey, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. The most important thing you can do for this channel is to comment. Reply to other people's comment also. Alright? Now, our video is going to feature Joanne in the kitchen with her husband, and then from time to time you will see other people pop in, you know, as we are about to do Joanne's infamous Easter bun. Alright? Joanne Easter bun we are gonna do. Now, as you can see this scenery, yes, you can tell that this was filmed in Jamaica, and it was filmed on the north coast side of the country, Port Maria, St. Mary. Yes, there is much to give thanks for when you're a part of something so beautiful, if I may say so myself. Just imagine growing up in this paradise. Now you would see reason why we are so patriotic. We love Jamaica so much, and we have to give back to Jamaica. We have to highlight Jamaica, and we will do so on this channel. Now, just remember that just by being a part of this channel, you are being a part of something great, and we hope that you enjoy this video as we go through, you know, and the family chilling, relaxing, and taking time out to communicate with each other. And we hope that you guys can relate to us, and we will have a good relationship going forward. Alright, let's see. Here we go.
Yes, please. Only 2 illustrate and the sugar.
Hey, I must say, look at my mother's face. Hey, their interaction must not be used to judge their relationship. They have been together for a long time. Alright? So, only my mother can deal with her husband in the manner she does, alright? So, don't think that you can do the same. Anyway, who can relate? Leave it in the comment area. If you say you never did I notice the smile, so we look on the smile. Since I didn't miss it, Cynthia. Yes, man. This is John. Yeah, man. Always smiling. Always. The first thing you see when you see her. Alright, we continue. This young man here is Mr. Twin. He always there on the computer at the roadblocks with the boys them. I see boys them still, because the boys them upstairs. You know, enough for them they could hear me in shock. Alright? So yeah, them are mixing the sugar with the Guinness. Right? Sugar with Guinness. Pun intended, because Joan is the sugar and Louis is the Guinness. Yeah, man, we're taking a video of it. You know hear that? The way they work so good together. You know, Louis doing the mixing. Here come mother with the baking powder. You know, measure to effect. Right?
Oops. Take your time, man.
Sugar crystal green and mix it. As a female and on the computer all the time.
I want to put in that. Alright. Guinness.
Just Guinness and sugar.
Yes, man, what you see in my hand just now, I'm sharing between Louis and my mother, is actually some jerk chicken liver. Yes. So we have out on the grill some chicken jerkin, yeah? Some grilled chicken, or jerk chicken for Jamaicans. You see what I say? Yeah, man. So the liver we have out there, we have in my hand right now. I share up and I eat.
You know,
So you see, mommy, I pour in the vanilla essence. Yes, man. Make the bun taste nice. Smell nice. You know, vanilla make things better.
no, I don't know. What I cut, you know, yeah, you have to pay back to pull it.
That man running and hiding, you don't know him. That is Mr. Big Dipper himself. You know, Mr. King J. Yes, man. He might run and hide, afraid of the video. You see me? Yeah, man, but you don't know. We're going to do a feature with him, you know. We're going to feature him in a more and more video. I want to get to know him too. Yes, man.
What am I saying? Extra stuff, there is like
So what is a hide? He lick up his head, man. Good man.
Is that one like a go and take a piece, man? Go and take a piece, man.
I want him, soon come take it.
I want extra.
Mother Joa never stop search until she find the almond extract. Yes, man, and she go add that too. Mm.
How would you want it? Much food.
Yeah, copy. Nah, cut on more time.
Live.
Body man, them do it. See what?
What they got? Beat.
You see, if you go tell them they want it, you go tell them that do it, they want make you apply for it. And I am good, I get on 3 grand bunny or something.
I just do it.
You see how Joanna run back and forth, back and forth. Right now she melting the butter. The butter. Yes, man, and she gonna put it with all of the mixture of them what she have already. Yes, man. Continue watching, man. Remember to give it a like, you know, like, thumbs up the video. I wanna make them video like this.
Call him already. A drop at the lever. Nice. Chuck them call him, man. Flavor not this high, you know.
Yeah, you all are go hear the Big Dipper call Joan our mom Granny, right? Everybody call Joan Granny, yeah, because she have a next generation of children, which would be her grandchildren, and then everybody just start call her grandma, grandma, grandma. You know, even her own kids call her grandma. So just let them know. And she not like the name, you know, but we still do it. Well, me not do it because me call her by her right name, Joan. Many people would say me we call her mommy and stuff, mama, or mommy or whatnot. But yeah, what do think about that? Tell me in the comment area. So a time for the mama lady and Joanna drop the tea. And Mr. Lewis, to check on the butter and confirming it with me that it is actually butter. But it's not margarine, you know. Yeah, it's half butter. Yeah, man, more water than oil.
Oops. Oops. You about the man where? Oops. You hooks. You woman ride on the bike back and drop in a hang fat one. Oops. And she goes, oops. Man say, come on. Come on, right there, so. No, no further. Oops.
Joan just love her raisins, and she will be putting a lot in her buns. You can do it the way you want to do it. Yo, this video is not only about the Easter bun, but absolutely about the family too.
So nice wash. You know, so you wash, you want to wash. You want to wash, no? Then maybe you want to say. Why do you want to hang the kitchen? Hang your bang there, Joan. Wave to your people then, wave to your people then.
Hi.
That sound fake.
You say you're trouble, no? It is not fake. Not fake.
And just done shit. When you're done, sir. Good, man. You know what you edit, we take out that out, then sit there, die.
No, watch just wipe out this all.
Two of them miserable together, yeah? People. Miserable. You can't find one without the other, but them miserable bad. How did me have enough storage for that? Look underneath, there's something there. You then look bored out. Cool, dirty. Yes, sunny night. Here we go again. Here we go again. Yes, man. Come back in the house here. Yeah. the man called Louis. Mr. Campbell take over my job. Yeah.
Okay, right here, as you can see, right here, Louis is making the lemon peel that will be added to the bun. Yes, man, I'm gonna use the grater.
Burn up. Fire on it and come in. Then on 3 days ago. That first one is really. Good part. And then if you run so black. Can you be great again? How much raisin that you put in there, Joanne?
Half pound.
Half pound of raisin? That look like 2 pounds that dish there.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, let me know. This is it. How much you get? 2 cup. 2 cup of water or 4?
Yes, man. Alright, there, so they must see about the flour. Yeah, man. Them have the unbleached, all-purpose flour. Yeah, man. Then shortly after, them have add the margarine. Not margarine, but butter to it. one in I see him don't. Yeah, man. So that them I got do. Mm-hmm.
Zoom up on Mr. Campbell there. You see him there? See your head big? Well, like I am run things, you know. So when he come a yard, he have it cool. And help in the kitchen too.
Wet ingredients. Put in a this.
When the husband ever follow your step, he not always go add. You tell him go buy 2 egg and buy 2 dozen. Yeah, we got to play. Chicken and grill. mix it. You put it in the liquor by it. And see the result you get. Learn the park. Learn the park.
I tell you move. You tell you move.
If you learn the park, what I do? I'll clean that something there. Say it, man, make everybody hear. Say make everybody hear rank. I'm gonna have a pause. I'll catch funny. No, I see him thing, man.
Sure. Glad.
Are you up, sir? Last one, you never put no gun in my last.
Of course.
No.
Yes.
I'm here making you go rewind the video.
Santi cook now.
That one more flour.
Not teaspoon. Two 4 teaspoon of water and then teaspoon.
I want to not tell me which part you ever see this before. Teaspoon of water. 4 teaspoon of water, my mother said. Lord, and they actually go do it. Look here. Yo.
consistent. You know what I say? 3 years ago, I same thing that way.
Do want me to tell you, no?
Modest.
You know, like work with stubborn somebody, you know?
You're there on the camera, you know? And you make everybody see. Oh, yeah, long up, you're going to not talk.
Like, when you talk to somebody, and especially big people, they're not there. They're supposed to hear when you say what they say. You know, I put no more because I'm in free.
Mana put that.
You're throwing there and it will have a record. You're throwing there.
Can't see anything.
Then you say, throw a little bit in, and you shake, when you only go by that time?
Right?
Yes,
50 degrees, yeah.
sir.
Where the molasses were?
They're down there, sir. I'm molasses that you used to do in your last time.
Some people put one in but enough.
So about mama did in there. When everything you want to go from. But if you have something like Joan and Fear Games, even when just one man people
So my babe, this is hard, this yes, babe. You can't work together with him at all. No. man lady would have said, you're slow like molasses.
What we doing tonight? Oh,
You see, if you go in there already, you know, I have to mix over.
I mix up at first.
If mix over, then molasses will mix over.
Mix the oil and mix up.
When you get it, mix out, I decided to mix it.
And then bala put at it.
And then put it in the fire.
So I stuck up kind of tough.
Taste like this, you know. Go with your family like this. And put it in there. Like I want it to go.
So, see there, we're drawing to the end of the video. Mother decorate the bun them and thing. Yes, man. And you know, we never get to complete
Going back, is it?
the flame by showing you guys when we take them out of the oven and things. And a part of the video, the mic, battery for the mic did get dead on it. So we're not gonna hear no sound in the part there. But it was very, very, very good. Them bun there did very good. Better than somewhere we buy at Jamaica. You see what I say? And we not say it because we make it ourselves. Even though me never put my foot in it, you know. But it work out and trust me. So I just want to tell you no thanks for come out and participate in growing our movement, you know. And I look forward to putting out more and more and more. These good content, as you know. Support, continue to support. Yeah, man. So, yeah, I said thanks for coming out, you know. Thanks to the camera person myself. Thanks to Joanne, the lead in the slicker video. And Mr. Lewis will come out and participate. And then Big Dipper LJ did come across and Mr. Twin. Later on we're gonna show you the boys them and thing in a separate video. So now just stay tuned. You never know what might come next. Alright? Thanks for watching. Boy, I want to tell you say the cheese, yeah. Small tin of cheese, the small tin of cheese because the cheese quite expensive. Nearly $30 for that tin of cheese there. Yeah man. But you don't know say a Jamaican thing so we don't go buy it anyways. You see me? Mm. Yeah man. So as me say I hope you enjoy the video. See and continue watching. To show you how in a Port Maria town, St. Mary, situated. You know the North Coast Kings and Queen they are representing. Yes man. So see the video here. Now watch the car windshield, you know. A whole lot of things that are going there. So the car windshield kinda dirty. Yeah man. But just go and view the little town of Port Maria. And that's the thing there. Yeah man, that's how we heal from. See? Yeah, big up on yourself. And if you're not subscribed yet, remember we go subscribe. Subscribe, see?